All right, about to put the Rotor Tech night blades. This one, not glowing anymore. So the batteries on the inside there need to be changed. And then we're gonna take it up. Trying to work these little watch batteries out. It's kind of a pain in the derriere. I used a little flathead, kind of dug it down in there. So it looks like the top of the blade has the, I think that's the positive side of the battery facing the top of the blade. Yeah. Yep, two of them slid out. They're that kind right there. Looks like the 1632, maybe 1632 3 volts. So there's 6 volts total. Rotor Tech sent some extra batteries. I'll probably get on Amazon and order me some more though. So I think the positive went on the bottom side of it. Anyway, you can test. Kind of tap it a little bit like this and you'll see the little LEDs kick in. That'll let you know he's ready to make a lighted up disc. This on. Now this is a 12 volt. Ooh, that is bright. Okay. All right, before I put that canopy on there, I just want to test this out here in the soft mud. If it works out here, then I'll go put the canopy on it and maybe take it up. All right, let's try. Dang, I get nervous every time I do a new build. Rotor Techs. Looks good. All right, we need to get the canopy on there. I want to see this bad boy all lit up. Yeah. All right. All right, let's see. Back here on the bench, also known as my truck bed. Man, that's the thing about this Trex. This particular canopy has always, it's just hard. It's got these 4 grommets and they are so hard to get these bottom grommets on the studs. It is just, if this heli was not already in our airfield and needed a home, I would not even fool with it. All right, let's plug in. All right, this is the 12 volt. Now I've noticed the blue is very voltage sensitive. Like I can run it on 2S, but if that 2S gets any kind of weak, or even this 12S on the bench, when the voltage drops on the battery, those blues dim out really bad. The reds don't seem to be near as affected by it. Man, I always get so nervous on a new build. I like it. I like it. I'm used to looking at the skids probably a little bit more in the daylight, but I may light those up at some point. All right, now on the boom, I've got the 1 strip of red, but I think I'm gonna put another strip of blue on the bottom half of that boom. I'm hoping it will help with orientation, maybe just a smidge more. particularly when I get comfortable, start doing TikToks and stuff like that, you know, the red will show up really well. Something on my transmitter's beeping at me. I don't know what it is. It is making me nervous though. That nose looks good. I like that. I may put a little light on the nose. I don't know. Here, we'll bump this up to idle 2. Let's see. Idle 2, yeah. A little more stable. Tell you, nose in with the canopy like this is a little bit harder to tell if it's coming in or going away from me. I like it. I think I'm gonna put another red strip on the canopy. Probably blew up that boom a little bit. Put some more LED. I don't know if you can see. I love that disc. I don't know if you can see the green and red on the bottom. Yeah. Find me a little smooth spot up here. And I tell you, this iPhone 13 does not do well looking at these things at night. Overall, yeah, I'm happy. All right, first thing got to do is disconnect the canopy. Take it off these 4 studs that I hate, that it has 4 grommet studs. Okay, let's turn this off now. All right, now we can turn off the battery. All right, that's it. Good deal. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put another strip of red right here. And then on the boom, I'm gonna put another blue right across the bottom here. And this, man, I don't feel comfortable pressing this down and clipping it on there because, man, I just don't think that's gonna be, dang it. I don't think that's gonna be good for these LEDs. All right, this was a brand new battery, was 4.1 per cell, 3S battery. Just running it just then. Of course, I had it on for a little bit, but man, I'm down to, I used every bit of it. So, you know, I can run 1 pack per flight. Barney actually said to just run a wire from here over to the other side so we can actually have power coming up through the system 2 different directions. Or I may just put the second battery. I got 2 of them. I may just put a redundancy and just have a second battery powering the circuit from the other side to this side. It'd all be parallel, so they wouldn't have to be exact voltages. But man, that might be the safer way to go with it. I'd hate to lose my lights while I'm flying.